Hello, everyone. This is Candance with TaylorMade Learning. Wanted to get on to show you a brief preview of what one of my boom card sets look like within the Boom Learning store. So if you go on the website Boom, that's B as in boy, OOM, learning.com, and you look up the store named Taylor Made Learning. That's spelled Taylorm as in man, ADE Learning. You'll find my store. And just wanted to show you what one of the sets looks like for those who may not be familiar with Boom Learning or Boom Cards. At the very left-hand corner, you'll usually see the amount of cards that are within that set. You do not usually see the preview here. This is just for preview purposes, so that's why that's showing. And then you'll see whatever instructions that I may have included in the Boom card set, and then you'll have options to click or make choices as far as choosing an answer in order to move forward to the next screen. So we'll just click Let's Begin. And as you see, it goes to the next screen on its own. And in the left-hand corner, it counts down the amount of cards that are left. So for this directions, you would match the ASL picture that correlates with the bolded or and underlined English word. The example here is we celebrate Easter, so you would look for the word Easter that's in sign language, and you would then choose the correct sign. And so we'll go ahead and choose the correct sign, which is this one here. And as you see, it auto corrects or tells you if the answer is incorrect. So it gives the student an opportunity to be able to correct themselves before proceeding on. So I just wanted to get on just to show a brief preview of one of my sets. Feel free to visit again my store, TaylorMade Learning. And if you have any questions, you can email me at tailormadelearning25 at gmail.com. Thank you so much.